Hi everyone, here we've got POCO X3 and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the settings and here we have to find additional settings. As you can see on the second position we've got languages and input, so let's tap on it and click on languages. Now we've got English applied, but here we have the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So let's pick something, for example this one. Let's tap on it and as you can see it immediately changes, and from now on the whole menu, the whole system will be in chosen language. Let me show you. As you can see, everything has changed. So now let me get back and let's choose English. Let's tap on it and as you can see it also immediately changes. So that's all. This is how to change system language in your POCO X3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.